Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show how to define named range by using offset function, how to create pivot table by using created name, how to create pivot chart, how to insert slicers and connect to the pivot table, and lastly, how to refresh the pivot table. So I am going to show all these 5 concepts very quickly. Here I am starting the process. First I am defining the name. Click on Formulas tab. Click on Name Manager. Click on New. Define the name as sales data equivalent to offset. Selecting the A1 cell, comma, 0, comma, 0, comma. Next I am mentioning the count A function. Selecting entire column A for dynamic range. Again I am using count A function. Selecting from A1 to R1 for dynamic columns. Click on OK. Now application selected the accurate data range. Next I am inserting the pivot table. Click on Insert tab. Click on From Table or Range. Press F3 to display the names. Selecting the sales data. Click on OK. Here I am selecting K2. Click on OK. Next I am dragging the items to the rows field. Next dragging the years 15, 17, 20 and 21. Now I am able to create the pivot table by considering the sum function. Next I am creating the pivot chart. Here I am selecting the column chart. Click on OK. Here I am placing the chart. Next I am inserting the slicers. Under the pivot table analyze, we can find the insert slicer option. From the available, I am selecting the slicer from item. Click on item. Next click on OK. I am able to create the slicers for all the mentioned items. Right now I am selecting Apple. Automatically pivot table as well as pivot chart got refreshed according to the selected data in the slicer. Next, here I am adding one more fruit. Here I am adding strawberry. Adding some data randomly. Coming to years, I am also adding one more year, replacing 2021 with 2022. Click on refresh. Here we can find application created the slicer for strawberry also. In pivot table, we can find 2022 years data also. In this way, we can create the pivot table based on our requirement. I hope this quick video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.